see you just carry on.
Sir, my honorable member Ashwini ji has made a big list of what advantages this bill will do. Who is denying? We have not denied it. Because in passing reference, what he said was, we are not taking the powers, we are just giving directions. Now, if that is the distinction between the power and the direction, then I don't know, I am at loss to understand what exactly I should answer you. Because all the 16 points you have a solid base. We are all agreeing to that. What we are trying to say is, as Thambi just now said, we are also elected governments. We are as much responsible as you are. Question is, since you have come, I would like to start only one sentence. We thought our minister is a top diplomat. He knows how to manage all the parties here, which he does with us. But today I have come to know he's a good lawyer too, because even a weak brief, he can put it in such a fashion that there is a real strong point which we missed. And Ashwini ji supported him, and with all these 16 advantages that they said. Sir, we are not differing at all with you. You are more. Particularly if you still want me to say and take much time, because I don't want to repeat because it is already said, you are not only infringing, you are violating, you are deceiving, backstabbing the powers of the state government. Now what exactly is this? You are just nodding or you are refusing to agree to our point is this. As you yourself said, powers and direction. Let me take one small example of your fund, DMF. DMF was with us. Now you want to say that you will give the guidelines as what? It still will be with me. The minister says not only with you, even the MPs will also be there. But directions will come from me. Now this is the kind of federalism you are asking us. We have not thought federalism to be that. We had our own ideas of federalism, and which everybody has agreed. Now, second, let me now go. Mr. Thambi has made a very important point. You are not, this is, though it is mining, it is something to do with land. You give me land. After one day, you want me to vacate that land. Do you know for what? By underground the land, there is a mine. तो आपको ये घर नहीं दिया, ये जगह नहीं दिया गया, चलो भागो ऐसे. ये झारखंड में हुआ तो झारखंड में मैं इंचार्ज था 3 साल. झारखंड का पूरा प्रॉब्लम यही था कि उनको ने आप लोग लैंड दिया. लैंड देने के थोड़े दिनों के बाद उनको सबको खाली करवाया. सवाल क्या है कि लैंड हमने दिया है लेकिन माइन नहीं दिया है. कोल है नीचे, इसीलिए हम कोल ले रहे हैं, आप लोग वापस करो. दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग इन एज फार एज फार्मर्स आर कंसर्न. सही बात है कि देयर इज अ माइनिंग, वी आल्सो वांट टू एक्सप्लॉइट दैट माइन, दैट एरिया, बट देयर इज रेजिस्टेंस एंड वी हैव अ ह्यूमन फेस because we are elected by the same people. So these are few difficulties that you must understand. Sitting somewhere 1800 miles away from Hyderabad or Telangana or Hyderabad, you can't decide which land should be taken for grant. Bayaram mines are there, which you have not touched, because you told us the grade is not good. I'm talking to the same government. Your government, India government, has not taken up the Bayaram mines, although it is there in the Act or Reargen Act. Only answer is, but the grade is not good. So you will decide. Because we thought as a state we will decide if the grade is not good, we will use it not for regular steel. We will perhaps use it for something else. So first of all, let us understand, we are as much responsible, we know the things as much as do. ये एक पहले समझ लीजिए कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का मतलब नहीं कि आप लोग आसमान से उठे हैं, हम लोग जमीन से आए हैं. आप भी उतने से सोच रहे हैं, हम भी उतने सोच रहे हैं. हम लोग वी आर नॉट पर से अगेंस्ट दिस बिल प्लीज पर से. Few of the powers that are being taken away, we are afraid, because this is not the first time. It has happened, it has started with education. You would like to give us the syllabus from Delhi as to what my tribal boy in Adilabad should learn. उसको आप बताएंगे 3 Stevenson का lesson, how to run the aeroplane. The English book of the 7th class has aeroplane as the text lesson. तो सॉरी सर, तो मेरा मतलब ये है कि आप पहले जिस दिन आप समझ जाते हैं कि हम भी उतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जितना आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. आप बोले एक बताइए दीजिए, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ 10(1) देख लीजिए, आप देख लीजिए 14(3) देख लीजिए, आप किस तरीके से असर कर रहे हैं पूरे पावर्स हमारे, और किस तरीके से स्टेक होल्डर्स को आपने इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया। आपने अभी तक पंचायत ग्राम सभा से नहीं बुलाया, आप अपने एक्सप्लॉइट करना चाह रहे हैं। एनवायरनमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं आप, एनवायरनमेंट बात कर रहे हैं तो कैसा आप लोग माइंड करते सब। तो ये चीज़ों को डिस्कस करने के लिए इफ वी वे टू हैव इवन सपोज एज यादव जी सेज वी हैव सेंट इट अर्लियर टू select committee. I don't want to get into that controversy at all. But if you think you have to take all people along in this, please let us send it to select committee. That was exactly our opinion. If you send it to select committee, this was discussed even in the BSc, not because we discussed this subject. This subject बात करने के लिए Mr. Digvijay talked, Mr. perhaps Ramesh, Jairam Ramesh will also talk. I can also talk because I have got the... But what is this? This is usual. You have a majority. Sir, what is the use even if I repeat all these 11 pages and also answer, if not all 16, it is 5 or 6 of yours, it will not be of any use at all because you have a majority and you will get through the bill. And with our parliamentary minister, you will certainly get through. अब क्या करेंगे? ये ऐसी चीज़ है, उस डिलेमा में हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं। लेकिन एक बता रहा हूँ, आप एक मिस्टेक मत कीजिए जो आपने फॉर्म बिल में किया है, उसको उस दिन आप सेलेक्ट कमेटी में भिजा दे रहे थे। एटलीस्ट वो फॉर्मर लीडर्स को ये बोलते हैं कि देखिए हमने डिस्कस किया है, आप ही के लोगों से डिस्कस किया है, 2 महीने डिस्कस किया है, फिर और क्या सवाल। ऐसे ये फॉर्म इसका भी ये पीपल से इन्वॉल्व है। आप जैसा बोल रहे हैं, यू कम फ्रॉम उड़ीसा, यू हैव गॉट सच रिसोर्सेज, यू हैव गॉट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, but yet we are poor. I am not trying to find fault with the state government at all. But hey, kyun this is? If all the powers were to be given to you, I am assuring you, knowing your government and the leader of your state, knowing him well, if all the powers were to go to Orissa and allowed to do what they like, Orissa would certainly would have changed times and bounds. This is what I am saying. Please, my plea would be, although I have, like you, I have got 8 points which are strong, which are being repeated. So I would not like to repeat. You please try to send it to select committee. Let there be a wider discussion on this. And tomorrow, if anything happens, we can say we have discussed all these things. Don't go by Mr. Yadavji saying that we have already discussed. What Yadavji discussed, after that you brought 7 amendments to which I have an objection. I have an objection to your 10(1), I have objection to your 11, I have objection to your 14(3), I have objection to your 17. So we have objections. But what is the use of my talking all this? Minister Saab, मैं आपसे मेरी विनती यही है कि nothing is lost if we are sending it to select committee. Let us select committee. ये जो issues मेरे साथ पड़े हुए हैं, ये आपके issues जो आपके पास है, ये this can be discussed by a third party. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Next speaker is Shri Vijay Sai Reddy.